And we're back to learning Gimp, and this time I'm going to show an easy shift text effect. We'll start with creating the text. Use the type tool, press T for that. You can change the font right here, or just left click, type something in, press Ctrl A to select it all, and then change the font. In the top menu, if you want to, for example, check what you've got, just type in a letter, let's say B, and you can see the insert fonts. I'll set it up to 500 and let me stick to Arial Heavy. But I definitely want to change the color, so click on a color swatch. Maybe I'll choose something greenish. The effect works on all colors, so it doesn't really matter. Now use the alignment tool, left click on the text, center it. I've got it set to relative to image. We've got our text right here on a different layer. We can scale it a little bit down. If we have to, I'll hold Control when I do. I'm fine with this size. Now let me go to Filters, Distort, and there is the Shift filter. Check the preview and you can see the effect already applied. It's very simple to do, just ignore the blending options and the clipping. We don't need this. Just focus on Shift and the Shift direction. For now it's horizontal. You can also make it vertical. 200 is the max. And if you still want to have readability, you should go down. A value of 1 to like 30 should be fine. For horizontal, for vertical, in most cases you can go a little bit higher. But I want to have it horizontally here, so let me go down, and now I adjust it a little bit. Maybe like a value of 19 or 20 is fine. I confirm we are okay. If you want to have both dimensions shifted, you can reapply this filter, change it to vertical, and add a vertical shift here as well. I don't like it in this case, but it's possible. Seed. This just randomizes the results, so if you click on new seed, a new random number is generated that's used for the seed. And this is how you can create this easy shift text effect in Gimp. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.